In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Google Doc to PDF by downloading the PDF directly. This is a quick and reliable way to preserve your formatting, share your document widely, and make sure it looks the same on any device. PDFs are great for resumes, reports, and anything you don't want others to accidentally change. Start by opening the Google Doc you want to convert. Make sure it's the exact file you intend to share or archive, and give it a quick glance to confirm the title, margins, and any images or tables look correct. Once you're ready, look to the very top of the Google Docs window. In the menu bar, you'll see File in the upper left corner. Click File to open the menu. Next, move your mouse over the option labeled Download. You don't need to click yet, just hover your cursor over Download. A side menu will open with several file types you can export to. From that list, select PDF Document, which appears as PDF Document. PDF. The moment you choose that, Google Docs begins converting your document to a PDF, and your browser will start the download. Your PDF will be saved to your computer's default download location. For most people, that's a folder called Downloads. If your browser is set to ask where to save files each time, you might see a prompt. In that case, simply confirm the suggested folder, or choose the one you prefer and continue. You may also notice a small download bar or an arrow icon in your browser showing progress. When the download completes, the file is ready to use. If you're not sure where it went, open your Downloads folder and look for a file with the same name as your Google Doc, ending in .pdf. You can open it to confirm everything looks right. Text, images, spacing, and page breaks should match what you saw in Google Docs. If the document doesn't open automatically, locate it in your Downloads and double-click to view it in your preferred PDF reader or browser. That's all there is to it. Open your Google Doc, click File, hover over Download, select PDF Document, and your PDF is saved to your default download location. This method is fast, consistent, and keeps your formatting intact, making it perfect for sharing professional documents confidently. Thanks for watching, and feel free to use this same process anytime you need a clean, portable version of your Google Doc.